Hi there. Meet the AMES Leaf Grabber Rake, designed with dual wide and curved poly blades featuring serrated edges to easily grasp leaves, lawn clippings, twigs, and yard waste. Its strong and durable steel handles ensure long-lasting use, while the cushioned, angled end grips provide exceptional comfort and control during your yard work. The rake is conveniently sized for easy use and storage, making your outdoor cleanup much simpler. Assembly is quick and straightforward, so you can get started right away. This tool helps you tackle yard debris efficiently without straining your hands or back. Experience a more comfortable and effective way to keep your lawn clean with the AMES Leaf Grabber Rake. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.